Today on Displacement Garage, we have a 2001 Outback that needs a little bit of attention, so stay tuned. Alright, so like I said, we have a 2001 Outback today. This is my buddy Brandon's car. He's been having some issues overheating the last few months, and he thinks he finally has it solved, but not before blowing the head gaskets. So we're going to get in there and we're going to remove and replace. So this car has a EZ30 engine, which is a boxer 6-cylinder with overhead cams. You know, I've never removed a cylinder head from a car before. Brandon has from an old Buick 6-cylinder, but I'm pretty sure that was probably a push rod, not an overhead cam type. So this is new territory for both of us. If this was a conventional engine type, this would probably be a bit easier, but we're gonna be facing challenges of not just dealing with the timing chain and the cams and making sure those don't move, but also getting the cylinder heads themselves out of the engine, because we're gonna have to be fighting the fenders on each side. So there's gonna be a lot of stuff that we're gonna have to move and get out of the way. And being that neither one of us is very familiar with this engine, we're going to be taking it one step at a time. So this is going to be over several days, and I might cut it into more than one episode. Don't know yet. And so here we go, and join us for the ride. so that was day one of Brandon's Outback. I think we made some really good progress. We were able to remove the radiator, intake manifold, and the main drive pulley. A lot of the big stuff in the way, and now we're starting to get into the details. So tomorrow we're going to drain the oil, remove the exhaust manifolds, the timing cover, and the valve covers. We might have to loosen some of the engine mounts and tilt the engine back in order to get the cylinder heads out and stuff, but we'll take a look at that as we get there. But really good progress today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So that was day 2. Obviously we fell a little bit short of what we wanted to accomplish for the weekend. However, I still think we did a really good job. Brandon and I really slowed down when it came to disassembling the timing set, because that's something neither one of us is very familiar with. So with regards to that, I think we did really great this weekend. So over the next week, we're going to be doing more research and trying to get our hands on a service manual. That way we can put everything back together correctly. So if you like what you saw here today, go ahead and click the like button. If you want to see more Displacement Garage, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.